This 2026 Jayco Eagle SLE 28 bhu is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 34 feet 7 inches in length and features smoke detector, leveling jacks, water heater, awning, microwave, refrigerator, oven, air conditioning, LP detector, stovetop burner, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco Eagle SLE 28 bhu is 8,630 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.